Hello student, this is a GATE previous year question from GATE 2007. This question is mainly based on the TCP timers. Let's see the question. In this question we have given that consider the following statements about the timeout value of the TCP. So we know in TCP timer management, we are maintaining the 4 timers. First one is retransmission timeout timer, second is persistence timer, and third one is keep alive timer, and fourth one is the time wait timer for the connection termination phase. Okay, let's see. Statement 1 is saying that the timeout value is set to the RTT measured during TCP connection establishment for the entire duration of the connection. No, statement number 1 is false, because in the TCP connections RTT is calculated dynamically, because the conversion window or the receiver window is varying. Sometimes the window contain only one segment, that will take sending the segment and receive the acknowledgement will take less time, but when the window size contain more segments, that time the RTT will be varying. So this is a false statement, because RTT is dynamic here, not setting measured as well as the new RTT value is. Okay. Second statement is saying that appropriate RTT estimation algorithm is used to set the timeout value. Yes, this one is true. We are using the currents algorithm for finding out the RTT dynamically. Okay. Third statement is saying that timeout value is set to twice the propagation delay. No, timeout value is not setting the final timeout. We will find out this with the help of current algorithm, and current algorithm is saying that new RTT value is equal to alpha into current RTT value plus 1 minus alpha into the NRTT value previously used. So with the help of this algorithm and this formula, we will calculate the timeout value or the RTT value. So third statement is also false. Only statement number 2 is true. Both statement number first and 3 are false. So because of this one, statement number option A is saying 1 is false, 2 and 3 are true. No, this one is incorrect. 1 and 3 are false, second is true. Yes, option number B is the correct option. So correct answer is option number B. Statement number 1 and 3 are false, second is true. So this way they can ask you question on the TCP timer. They can make question on TCP persistent timer, on the keep alive timer, or maybe on the time wait timer. So TCP timer, different type of questions are possible from these 4 types of timers.